Here's the first method. Click on your computer start menu and open your computer settings. In settings, select system. Under system, select storage. In here, first of all, turn on storage scenes option. Once it's turned on, click on cleanup recommendations. And now choose what you want to delete. So in my case, I'm selecting recycle bin to delete and clicking on cleanup. Clicking on continue, and we can see my junk file is now cleared. So this was the first method to do it. Here's the second method. Press Windows R to open the Run app. Here type %temp% and click on OK. In this folder we have to delete everything. So press Ctrl A to select all of them, and then press Shift Delete to permanently delete all this junk file. And you can skip errors. Once you've done that, again open Windows R, and this time type here temp and click on OK. Also from this folder we have to delete everything, so select all of them, press Shift Delete to permanently delete all of them. Once you've done that, again open the Run app, and this time type here prefetch, click on OK, click on continue, and delete everything from this folder. And now let's see the third method. Click on your computer search option and type here disk cleanup. Open the disk cleanup app and select the drive you want to clean up. I'm selecting C drive, clicking on OK. And here you can select thumbnails, temporary files, recycle bin, temporary internet files. Once you select it, all you have to do is just click on clean up system files, and that's how we can actually delete cache or junk files from our computer.